Assalamu alaikum dear students. In the previous video we have started unit number 6 water. In that video I have explained you that water is found in all three states of matter. Solid water is ice, liquid water is water, the gas form of water is water vapor or steam. Then I explained you that water in the air. Topic: water in the air. The air contains a lot of water. When the sun shines on the sea, a lot of water changes into water vapor and rises into the air. When this water vapor is cooled by the air, it turns back into tiny drops of water which float in the air. I have also explained you this with the help of an experiment. Now today I will explain you the new topic, that is water cycle. First I will explain you with the help of a diagram. You see there is water in the form of stream or lake or river. When sun shines on the lakes or rivers, the water becomes hot and it changes into water vapors or steam or vapors. Water becomes hot and the vapors or steam starts changing into to go high. Very high in the air, the atmosphere becomes very cold, the temperature is very low, so these little water droplets join together to form clouds. When they form clouds and smaller droplets of water join to form bigger droplets, it becomes very difficult for them to stay in the atmosphere, so these clouds come back to the ground as rain. So this is called water cycle, that water changes into vapors, they form clouds, and again they come back to the ground as rain. You see in your book, high in the sky it is very cold. You know, high in the sky it is very cold. Water vapor that rises high above the land cools down to form clouds. Clouds contain millions of tiny drops of water. When clouds cool as they pass over a mountain, the tiny drops of water join up to form bigger drops of water. These bigger drops of water are too heavy to float in the air, so they fall to the ground as rain. Yes, this is all about water cycle. As I have explained you that first when sun shines on rivers or lakes or streams, the water becomes hot and water starts changing into vapors or steam. When these vapors go high in the atmosphere, where the climate temperature is very low, they start changing into clouds. They condense and they form clouds. When these smaller drops join with other drops, they form very bigger drops, and for these bigger drops it becomes impossible to stay in the atmosphere, so again they come back to the land as drops of water, or you can say they come back to the land as rain. So next is rainwater runs into streams and rivers. Rivers flow into the sea, so the water returns to the sea. In this way the water on earth goes round and round. We call this process the water cycle. So this is all about the water cycle.